To begin, navigate to Twilio.com and sign into your Twilio Console account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. Once logged in, look for the phone numbers section in the left-hand navigation sidebar. Click on Manage and then select Buy a Number to proceed. This brings you to the Buy a Number page, where you can select a country for your new phone number. Choose the country where your target users are located or where your automation workflow requires a local presence. Now, this is where it gets specific. For automation below the country selection, you'll find filters for number capabilities. Make sure to select SMS and voice if your automation plans involve sending messages or making calls programmatically. For advanced workflows, you might also consider MMS for multimedia messages or fax if needed. After selecting your desired capabilities, click Search to find available numbers. Twilio will display a list of numbers matching your criteria. Browse through the available options and choose the number that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click the Buy button next to your chosen number. A confirmation dialog will appear, displaying the number and its monthly cost. Confirm your purchase to add the number to your account. Congratulations! Your new Twilio phone number is now provisioned and ready for use. It will appear in your active numbers list. From here, you can configure its messaging and voice webhook URLs to integrate it seamlessly into your automation applications, whether it's for notifications, two-factor authentication, or interactive voice responses. Acquiring a Twilio number is the foundational step for powerful communication automation. Start building today.